What up, y'all? It's Papa Bear here. Thank you for tuning into another episode of Epic Adventures. So today, here in Costa Rica, on a business trip as always, and we were told of a nice trail slash dirt road that'll take us up to an awesome viewpoint that we can see the bay that we're staying at. So, you know how I like to do. I like to get out and explore. So let me show you what we're starting out with first. I'm here with my co-workers. I got Big H, Big M, and Snacks. Don't ask us why we call them Snacks. It's just it is. So of course I'm going to show you where we're going. First couple steps. Going right up that dirt hill right there. Don't have a clue if we're on the right track. Actually, we are on the right track because we just met up with our partners here. They had to run back to the hotel to grab some stuff. They got it. So we know we're on the right track. I see you got one more person.
We're going to work on your distances. I just had to pay a guy for directions. It was like a mile. 1 mile.
Technical difficulty, folks. Stand by.
We passed it.
Gracias.
We saw.
Alright. I'm recording.
We saw a ATV busted up here the other day when we went up.
Oh, cool.
We like ruined their moment, I think. It was like this guy and a girl, and we came busting in like right as sunset was happening. I think we ruined their moment.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh wow, you're a loser. These guys are cool.
So now that we got everybody, we're about to knock this out. So let me show you where we're going up. It's not steep right now, but it is rocky. So I think the weather, the temps, 90 degrees.
Oh, 90?
I'm thinking it's 90, man. Hook me up with that temp.
I got you.
You got me.
I'll refresh it even. Oh yeah, because the last time I was up there it was 8:20 in the morning.
First time my knee ever hurt when I started walking.
91.
Oh! On point. I'll cut it back on when I got some more things to show you out here. So like 10 minutes into the walk, got some views you can see. If I can do a zoom in feature, I'll zoom it in so you guys can actually get a good view of that. If not, then it is what it is. But the incline, hey, what do you think the incline is? Like a 35-degree grade?
What? I would put it at 38.
We're looking at a 38-degree incline. How y'all doing?
It's not 38 degrees, dog. 45 is this. It's like 25.
Of course, on camera, it looks relatively simple, but believe me, I'm already sweating like a pig, like 2 pigs in a wool sock, getting at it.
So, decided to go hiking. The last day in Costa Rica. Baller. Hot as balls.
Hot as balls.
Hot as balls.
Oh man, look at that grade right there. And just so you guys know, I'm carrying 5 liters of water. 5 liters. I ain't stupid, I'm smart. I've been down this road before. That's right. I'm a big dude, man. I sweat. Gatorade go right through me. That water gonna last a little longer. Out here. So, Rainforest Mountain Reserves. This is where we're at. So normally at the beginning of the videos I always say where I'm going. But for this one, wasn't sure on where we were at. So decided not to say anything. But you'll probably see it in the titles. One bad thing about recording, I'm always last, so I like to stop for stuff. Alright, young buck, I'm 35 years old.
Yeah. Catch up. You can see the age differences. Like as you go along.
Look, us older folks, we got what's called endurance. We don't need the speed out the gate. We gonna last longer than you guys. You gonna be all tired and oh, I gotta take that out. I can't be cussing. And you gonna run up the hill. I remember when I was young, I used to do that. Smart now. Take my time. Take my time. So with that being said, out here. Incline ain't no joke. It went like a 50. I'm saying though, look at that. Look at that, yo. Incline ain't no joke. But you know what? You don't get the view sitting home in the couch, man. You gotta work for it. Feels like I'm lunging up this hill.
Yep.
This sure reminds me of the Smokies, man. Hot, humid, and incline. Just take it. Out here. Okay, so about 500 feet in elevation. Now, I know some of you guys out there that do this every day. It's like 500 feet ain't nothing. Man, I'm near the damn equator. Oh, hot, humid, elevation. And I worked late last night. But that's okay. I'm still going. My calves are a little sore. I was using a technique I heard somewhere that when you go up the hill, instead of taking long steps, take nice short steps. They're quicker and it's easier on the body. I got fast, but my calves are sore. Oh yeah, let's keep bobbing out here. Alright, so after, what, 30 minutes of walking?
Like 45.
45 minutes of walking? Whew. So after 45 minutes of walking, looking for views, we finally found one. Check that out. That is gorgeous. It was worth it, but I'm hot and I'm sore right now. But it was worth it. I'm gonna cry. Let's keep going, y'all. Man, check that out. That is gorgeous.
There's a lot of people up there.
I know.
Oh
my God.
Damn.
Oh, wow. Oh my goodness.
I mean, I'm gonna need your water though.
Alright, that's fine.
Cool, thanks.
Gorgeous. It's gorgeous.
Alright guys, we'll give you guys your break. We know you need it.
This is God's country. Like, I can't describe how gorgeous this is right now. If I had a little more estrogen in my system, I might just cry. I'm gonna sit down now, out here. Alright, so we've been here for about 20 minutes. Okay, half an hour. My time is all the way off. But either way, if you can look behind me, you can see the view, the gorgeousness of it. This is what I experienced today. So all that complaining and whining that I did earlier, which I'm going to do because it sucks. Nothing about this is easy. And I get to enjoy God's country. Yeah, granted, I know it's not the mountains, but it's still, actually, this is a mountain. Okay, yeah, I noticed it's a, you know what I mean. They'll get it. Either way, God's country. Now, would I jump in that water? Hell no. Black folks don't do that. I'll get in a boat, but I ain't jumping in that water. I'll fish, but I ain't jumping in that water. Either way, I had a good day. You guys have fun?
Oh yeah.
Oh, hey, yeah.
Yeah, the one in the pink peach shirt is tired. So,
What's that?
peach shirt.
Yeah, I'm a little tired.
Yeah, he's tired.
All 3 hours of sleep last night.
Messing around with them women.
Still made it up here first though. I knew where it was great.
I didn't know, yeah, I mean, were we going to die? Hey, we still got the same views though.
You took off running, and I'm like, yeah, do that after being hungover and after 3 cigars. Go ahead. Do it.
And being an adult, begin. With that being said, out here, y'all. So of course, once you go to the top, you gotta make your way down to the bottom. So we're on our way back to the base of the mountain. So we weren't able to find out what the name of this mountain is, but that's okay. We'll be like the unknown mountain. But the rainforest itself is, so far, is nice. Now, we were thinking about going to a waterfall, but it's 2 hours away. And no one really wants to do that. Not even me. If we had an extra day here and we didn't have to leave, we go to another location, do some training and some business stuff, then yeah, probably would do the waterfall. But for now, I'm good with what we've done here today. This hike really did kick my butt. It was a great challenge. Hold on, I gotta show y'all this real quick. Check that out. So that's how the workers. See, there you go. Yeah. So that's how the workers are clearing out the side of the cliff. So you see behind me, there's an actual worker. See if I can get him on camera. Where is he at? Yeah, right there. He's actually clearing out the cliff, and so that's how I work right there. That's Paul Bunyan? No. John Henry. That's some John Henry work right there. Hell of a man. So, that being said, I'll cut the camera back on if anything significant happens or if I make it to the base of the mountain. So, what do you think, E?
I think that's a good idea. I think this hike kicked my butt.
We hiked together up this bad boy. There was 7 of us. 4 of us went ahead of us. Myself, E, and M. We're just like, hey, we gotta stop. M needs a break. So, you know how I do. I'll show you exactly what I'm going through. That's it. That being said, out here.
That's tree water.
That's gonna make it hotter, you know. You ain't got nowhere to wipe it off. Well, kind of do.
That's the coldest free water I've ever felt.
That's nice.
Nice.
No one drank it.
It tastes delicious.
Sorry, we saw a waterfall. There you go.
I would do it, but I got my water. Yeah, I'm drenched in sweat, so I'm already cool when the wind hits me. Out there. So while coming down, I saw this view. Didn't see it coming up, but I saw it coming down. I gotta get it on film. I think that dog might be fine. So yeah, we're done. We're coming to the main road, and then we're gonna walk back to Fish Hooks. There's a little restaurant in Costa Rica, and we're gonna chill out, get some internet, call the wife and kid, get something to drink, probably get this video together, and so on and so forth. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in to Epic Adventures. As always, it's a pleasure doing these types of things and showing it to you guys. I can't wait to see you guys outdoors, and go hike yourself. Oh yeah, don't forget about the social media stuff. It'll be at the end of the video. Out here.